Welcome, today in front of me Infinix Hot 11, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. The maximum mode means that when the decibel meter will reach the highest volume here from our device speaker, so then the value here on this display will change. So let's start. So as can you see, our Infinix Hot 11 reached the 110.7 decibels. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.